Hi guys, welcome to the short video about a wireless charging stand which I have found, which is not overheating, or at least not causing my phone to overheat while charging. You can see it's wireless charging, and it's even a rugged phone, and it's in a case, and usually it's very difficult to find any kind of wireless charging stand which is capable to charge my phone wirelessly. And so this is the first reason why I really love this wireless charging stand. But there's also another reason, and that's definitely because it's not overheating my phone. I mean, it's I think, as far as I know, it's a 15 watts wireless charger. Here we have some of the specs. I hope you can see that here. And I mean, my phone is only charging with, I think, 10 watts or so, and I would say it's probably close to 10 watts when I assume, I mean, I have 6000 milliamps here inside, and it's charging quite fast, but not so fast that it would cause overheat. That's really good. I don't know how they managed to do that. I mean, they are saying they have some electronics inside and they're measuring the temperature, and probably when the temperature gets too high they will reduce the charging speed, which is definitely acceptable. I rather prefer a lower charging speed compared to overheating phone and then damage to the battery, and we have to replace the battery. And you know, these days you cannot just go into a store, buy a battery. You have to go to a repair shop and they ask for $100 to replace battery, and then you know if they are causing more damage to the phone, and this is something which you definitely don't want to have. What's also interesting here, we can see it has some openings here in the back, which I have never seen before with a charging stand, or I just didn't notice, I don't know, but it really looks like there's an opening here, probably to cool it down. So probably two measures in total to keep the phone and this stand cool. What we don't have here is we don't have it flexible. I mean, you cannot put it down and then have a wireless charging pad or so. That this part is also not a charging pad. You cannot charge your watch or so here, but it has a nice solid stand. It has these soft rubber feet. It comes with USB-C, which of course is most of them USB-C. What's also really good here with the light, it has some dimming sensor, so when it's bright like here it is rather bright. When it's dark in the night, when we cover this LED sensor, you can see it's going darker, so you can have it close to your bed or so, and it won't disturb you. Of course, after some time it will turn off, and when you're putting it on the charging stand it will turn on and start charging pretty fast and reliable. And yeah, this is definitely my best wireless charging stand so far. Can give you full recommendation on that. Yeah, the brand is called iNew, as far as I know, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order type from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.